my beautiful people. You welcome back to our channel. This is TV Tiwa, and my name is Olubumi Olowonobi. How are you? Sewa, Sewa, new right. Everything smooth. Okay, guys, if you have not been on this show, if you are watching this show for the very first time, I do content about my life here in Ohio, about what goes on around me, and I still gist about issues happening back home in my country, Nigeria. And I believe in the school of thought of karma that whatever you do in this world, you get the reward. You know, if you're good, you get good. If you're bad, you get it. You know, if you are nice to people, you get it back. You understand? And it's always good for us to be good because of ourselves and because of our children and our grandchildren and children to come. So I always advise that just be nice. There's nothing bad in you being good to people. If you are good to people, honestly, you get it back. But if you're bad, you're going to get it back. That's it. So today, guys, I just want to talk briefly about what is going on with our marriages in the Western world, especially concerning our African men. I watched a video 2 days ago and I didn't like it because there was a child there that was listening to what's the confrontation between the dad and the mom. It's so nice. I'll let you see the video briefly and I'll be back.
What's to be the man and be the man and be the man?
Yes, what the man can do, a woman can do it better. Of what things are you are not helpful.
What the man can do,
yes,
can do that.
yes, a woman can do it better.
What the man can
Just
do.
to make fish, you could not.
How will I make you fish?
Yes, why would you help me?
How will I make you fish?
You pay 50-50. Why can't you help me?
Don't you work?
This is not Nigeria, this is abroad.
So because we're in abroad,
yes.
I'm so happy to watch the plate.
I will go to work.
I'm so happy to watch the plate.
So you
are sitting and pressing on your phone. And no one's going to help you to make feed for you.
I will go to work, come back from my
So in Nigeria, you're going to tell me to do that?
I will still make you breakfast, still make you lunch, still make you dinner.
If I'm in Nigeria, you're not
people to sweep the house. You don't have
my children.
I don't have my children. So
don't have children. You want me to go and do what you want?
I don't know what
now the plan B. You have a plan now. Now the plan B. That's why you tell me that you have the God to tell you to hurry up.
If I have
You are telling me to hurry up.
yes.
And hurry up. You go try your plan B. Make it Saturday. You go try your plan B.
No, I'm not
saying let me go grab it.
Yes, get out. Only to make fish you cannot make. Cook rice you cannot cook rice. Every little thing they say do you cannot do. Every time you are complaining, you will carry title ship from the way from Nigeria. You come to Canada with title ship. You will not support your wife. Are you not looking at your mates? Are you not looking at your mates? The way they help their wife. The one you be bragging. Now, post Mariana. On January, you need a people to do it.
No problem.
People go there out bed.
No problem.
Yes. And you want all of us to share everything 50-50.
I'm not working.
But you cannot help in the house.
I'm not working.
And you will not help in the house. You will not working.
I'm not to do what you everything for you.
Okay, I'm working. Are you not working too? Why can't you help? Why can't you help and cook and do all that?
I can't help and cook.
I'm that. Go upstairs. Can't you help? You will not help. You can't do anything. I will do everything. Cook, wash your clothes, do everything. Are you just? I don't have children in this house. Forget about your children. Are you big for nothing?
How many children do you have in this house?
Sick.
How do you expect me to do that?
I'm sick. You will not help me.
You are sick.
I will come down again.
I will not do your problem.
Just be going.
I'm not going to do your problem.
I'm not used to. That's what I'm saying.
I'm not used to. I'm just moving the first now. I'm not used to.
Out there. They are
I'm not used to you now.
yes, they're not used to.
I'm not used to you now. You see that thing that is telling that you are used to? I'm the one that I'm
I will see a responsible man.
You say responsible man.
Take care
You tell me who is responsible. You know your what?
Yeah.
I know your what too.
Yeah.
You see that responsible man. When you find, you go find him.
It's only in another women you have time to spend time. Waste your energy.
No problem. All the time.
Hurry up and carry this your useless clothes out of this.
Don't worry.
Hurry up, I beg.
Don't worry.
You don't say don't worry, wait today. Hurry up. If I go anywhere, I don't care. Very lazy man. Very lazy. You cannot do anything. Cook, you can't cook your clothes, you can't wash. Even the truth, you can't even arrange. Nothing. To give, if I am living here, help me to attend to your daughter. Even to go and go for appointment, doctor's appointment, you will not. Everything is on me. You want me to edge your time so that you will be posing as young bobo. Wicked man. I beg, start going. Do and leave this house. Do and leave this house. Stop wasting my time. I beg, worry or go. I don't know what you're doing. And make sure you don't take my stuff. Take whatever that belongs to you. Don't take my stuff.
Don't worry. It's your fault. I said,
Hey, the idea is my fault. What does it concern me? What does it concern me? Yes, I only have time for men that have time for me, not for men that don't have time.
I have been there so many people anyhow.
Back to this.
I have been there so many people anyhow. After you don't start it, you are not at it.
I just said, let me say, I think I'm just a case of
everybody who wants to understand the best one of the
let me worry about
who is married? Are you
let
married?
me worry about that.
Are you married?
So you worry
So you think that the angel is outside is better? The better the devil you know.
have asked you to leave. Please stop wasting
I am leaving.
now why
I am
you
leaving.
too much? Leave.
I am leaving. So I think that the things that I think
I cook, I do. You else you don't do anything. Because if you are there, then we see road and do other things.
no problem. It's not your fault.
Jam way Diego. Parading all over the place as if you're a responsible man. Just to cover you up, no one at the way ditch. You go be going in a bed.
But when you come to now,
And then I leave the house. Leave the house.
don't be old school now.
Leave the house.
Don't be old. I'm not for your face. I'm not for your face.
Why you want to do it for me? I don't other things. I'm not saying that you're young boy, so child rate here. I'm just saying that you're You wash plates. I will vote for you, baby. See for you,
Something is wrong with you.
You are not doing anything.
Something is really wrong with you. When you have 3 children, if you do not children in this house, don't you have this group of children?
6 years is grown up.
Well, what is the 1 to 6 years?
Yeah,
I don't want 10 years. What about 14 years?
It's grown
I don't
up.
want to know.
And kids.
I still have to watch the kids.
Both of us,
This one's are
we
there.
have to take care of ourselves. Dishwasher. What do you mean? What is dishwasher? It's only dishwasher.
You see, it's a lie. You see, this time I am in as you give the go ahead. That is it.
Oga,
As you give this go ahead.
Police don't say make you comot. Go. They don't tell you say make you comot. Leave this house. Go. Go and leave this house. Come.
I am leaving for you.
That's the one that will do everything.
Don't worry. I'm a chief. I'm a chief. There are plenty of them. Plenty of them.
Go to them now.
All of them.
That's why
I'm going to visit.
that's why you
I'm time for what? I will give you time. I will give you.
pay.
I will give it to you.
Oga, go.
Maybe you better have my rest of mine.
Oga, go. I have rest of mind. Don't worry.
You will still try.
Why you sit down? Go on now. Oh, I know they go abeg. Stop wasting my time. Take a moment. I'm not this 2024. I'm not going to share one. I'm not going to share one. I'm not going to jam where you go stand. I'm not going to president. If you cannot give me your 50%, I rather not give you my own. I have been sacrificing a lot for you.
Sacrifice
give you my own. I have been sacrificing a lot for you.
Sacrifice what? You sacrifice what?
I'll be sacrificing.
What do you sacrifice?
I'll be sacrificing. Take care of you.
You take care of you.
I don't for you.
Is it not what you do?
No. No, it's not easy for all both of us to help ourselves. It's not just one person. Did you give me any house help? Did you provide any money for house help? Or have you carry yourself and be going? I don't have time. How many years have you enjoyed me since you come to now? I'm enjoying it. Go and bed. This is 2024.
No worry. That's not what you do.
Oh, when I can do things myself.
Don't worry. Where's my car key?
Do your car key, bitch.
Amanda. Where's my car key? Go look my car key.
Nothing concern me. Nothing concern me. Go, please, come and carry your things. I don't even know why you're just taking time. Please carry your things and be good.
Don't come back and carry your dress.
Instead, don't just carry everything. You like keep it on the snow. Carry everything and be good. Take your stuff. No, we break is not my business. Carry your stuff.
That is my worship suitcase.
Lay your clothes here for back. Carry your things and be going.
So you actually really
I want you to leave this house. You are not useful to me. But when you now, all sorts of people can pass you. But when you now, leave. Person will help you. Person will give you paper. Person will bring you to Canada.
Are you bringing
Yes, I'm the first person.
Obviously, you can see that the woman she's depressed. She's tired. She's tired. I think she's been allowed to be doing too many things at the same time, and she's tired. One thing I want to tell our men is, see, women are not wired to be the sole provider of a home. Women are not wired to do too much work. Honestly, men are wired to take charge of the home. And thank you, you are doing it well. Back home in Africa, men are always in control because they go out to work, they do more work in Nigeria and other parts of Africa to take care of the family. To the extent that even men buy cars for their wives. They take care of everything. They pay school fees, they pay rent. And I tell you, in my country, Nigeria, there's no free education. You start paying your school fees from day one. So men have been doing that back home. And I hold them in high esteem because they have been our husbands, our fathers, and our helpers. But the thing is, I don't know what happens when you now come to the Western world. So I think men face this shock of them doing many things that they don't do at home, like washing plates, like doing laundry, like, cooking. They're not used to it. So that's why today I want to tell you something, men. We love and respect you, but please, before you come to the Western world, you need to do a research. Do a research. Look at the country. Read about the country. Look at their culture, everything, the way they do things. So that you know this before you come. So you won't have this culture shock. It's very bad. You see husbands killing their wives. Wives killing husbands because of little things that they would have settled amicably. One thing I always tell people is, Google is your friend. Do your research. If you know that you cannot cope with life in the Western world, please don't come. Don't bring your wife and children. Don't come. Stay back home wherever you are, where you know you'll be respected as a man. But for me, I think you should come. But when you come, understand the fact that here we cannot leave you alone to do all this, to go through all this stress of paying all the bills. We won't allow you to do that because it can kill. So because of that, we need to help you. I know back home in Africa, so we help our husbands. We also work. Except for those rich men who will tell their wives not to work, to take care of the home. Being a housewife alone is work. Being at home to cook, to do this, do that, is work alone. So, but we were coping because the stress was not much. Here in the Western world, you pay your rent monthly. But in Nigeria, you pay annually. So once you pay annually once, you're less stressed. But here you do that, you have to pay for mortgage, pay for car, pay for your everything. You pay for everything. So because of that, our men are stressed. And our women are stressed because they need to go out and help their men. But the thing is, when your wife goes out to work, you also went out to work. By the time you guys are coming back, we're both tired. So you won't expect your wife to be in the kitchen while you sit down and read newspaper in the living room like we used to do in Africa. She will be upset. She's cooking, she's tired, and you have children running around, and you have dirty clothes that you couldn't even wash. There's no big deal. I know in Nigeria you don't do that, but here, because your wife works at the same time, you have to help. And there's no big deal in washing plates. You don't need to wash. Just put the plates in the dishwasher, press a button. Oto, pack all the clothes, go to the laundry room, or if you have it within the house, put it there and put press button. Your wife will be happy when you help her to do such things. There won't be this kind of clash. But when you do like you do back home, so sit down and your wife is working in the kitchen, and in the night you still want to have to perform a matrimonial duty. What you say? No, that's not nice. So what I'm saying today is, men should do their research. If you know you won't be able to cope, please don't come. But when you are coming, get your mind prepared that you have to assist your wife to do some things. Honestly, you just have to. Otherwise, there will be problems. It's just natural. Except you want her to be at home, and you won't even want her. But except you ask her to do less work, like maybe like only 5 hours a day. Okay, that would be nice. 5 hours, she's back home early and do all the necessary things. But if she's running shifts like 12 hours, even 8 hours, and here, you must work. When you go to work, you work. You work in. It's not like you back home in Africa, maybe you have time to be gisting and talking. No, here you go to work, you do the work. So that's it. There's a difference. So that's all I have to say today. I don't know, but I hope this will stop. Please, we don't want more deaths, we don't want quarrels, we don't want fightings. We have to raise our children the way they should be raised. Not to see all those kind of things. Please, communication is very important in marriage. Please, I don't know what else to say, but I just want to appreciate you men. You have been good. Please continue to be good. Continue to take care of us. What can we do now? We can't do without you, and you cannot do without us. You're going to leave your wife. She was ready to move out of the house, that man in that video. You leave her, you go elsewhere. You're still going to meet a woman. If a woman leaves her husband, she's still going to meet a man. We cannot do without each other. A man must find a woman must find a man. So you're leaving this one that you think she's devil. You think the one outside is an angel? No. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in my next video. Esego. Thank you so much. For those of you who don't understand Esego means thank you. Thank you. But it's not Esego, it's Eshego. Alright, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.